Hello everyone, my name is Siti Hana Aldomanco. My partner is Lady Jennifer Boris. For today's session, we will report the Module 11. The title is The Complement of a Set. Our learning objectives is to find the complement of a set. Number 2 is apply the knowledge on sets and subsets in finding the complement of a set. First, what is complement of a set? The complement of a set A is defined as a set that contains the elements present in the universal set but not in the set A. And what is the difference between complement and complement? A complement relates to flattering words or act, while a complement is related to completion. Here is a simple illustration where U is the universal set and the complement of set A is A apostrophe. For example, the set U is braces 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 braces, and the set A is braces 4, 6, 8 braces. Then the complement of set A and A apostrophe is equal to braces 2, 10, and 12.
Another example, we will visualize it for you to be clarified on how to determine the complement of a set. Let's have the universal set. The universal set that contains the first 10 even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This is our universal set, and this one, the elements that are here in the circle, is the set A. Now let us write this. Universal set contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And our set A, it contains the first 5 even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And to find the complement of set A, again, this is how we denote the complement of set A and apostrophe. So how are we going to get this? Again, the complement of set A are the elements that are not found here in set A. Again, the elements that are not found in the set A. And what are those? These are 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This part, the outer side of the circle. So that is 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And that is how we are going to find the complement of a set. Now let's proceed to some properties of complement sets. So we have here 4 properties. The first one is, right here, properties. So the first one is A union, the complement set of A is equals to the universal set. So how or why is the answer of this is universal set? Because if we use this example, again, it is union. So we are going to combine the elements of set A and the elements of the complement of set A, and we will get the whole universal set. Again, we will get the whole universal set because it is the combination of set A and the complement of set A, this one. Another one is A intersection complement of set A is null set. So why is it null set? Because if we can see here in our previous example, since it is intersection, we see that there is no elements that have been intersected, or there is no same elements of set A and the complement set of A. So that's why it is null set or no elements. The third one is the law of double complement. The law of double complement. That is, the complement of A complement is equals to the set of A. So why is it the answer is A? Because the complement of set A implies to the elements that are not found in the complement of set A. Again, this implies to the elements that are not found in the complement of set A. So in this example, what is the complement of set A? It's this one, the outer side of the circle. And again, what are the elements that are not found here in the outer side of the circle? It's in the set A. It's in the inside of the circle, which is the subset A. So therefore, our answer is A. The fourth one, we have here the laws of empty set and universal set. So the complement of null set is equals to the universal set. So why is it universal set? It's because we get this by imagining that we subtract the null set to the universal set. So U minus null set, or like this, U minus empty set is equals to the universal set. So that's why it's universal set. And the other one is the vice versa of this. The complement of universal set is equals to null set. Why is it null set? Because if we imagine this as universal set minus universal set, then we get an empty set or no elements, and that's why we have this null set.
And that's all for today's lesson, and we hope that you've learned about the complement of a set.